Well, do you lack shelf space in your kitchen? Are you struggling to reach containers that are hidden behind in your kitchen? Well, if this is your daily life, then you already know the value of a well-designed kitchen with the perfect modular units. Well, hello DC fam. Welcome to our Experience Center in Bengaluru. I'm your interior architect Ananya Jois, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Now today we're going to be showing you must-have kitchen units for your modular kitchen. With this guide, you can easily put together the perfect mix of base, wall, tall and loft units. Let's dive into the video and take a look at all the units that are there. A shelf unit is the most basic yet underrated unit in every kitchen. The storage is endless and it's the easiest to clean when it's compared with all the other kitchen units. Here we have tandem drawers, and these are perfect to store your pots and pans. Now these come with lots of organizers and in different sizes so that your utensils don't move around. Now these are perfect considering your workstation is always free of too many vessels. The large drawer is basically a heavy-duty cousin of our tandem boxes. This can easily take up to 50 kg for those big fat Indian families where you need to stock up on all your supplies in bulk. This is the perfect solution. Here we have a bottle pull-out or a spice rack. These are perfect to store all your masala dabbas or oil bottles. Now these need to be placed near your hob so that it's easy to cook. Here we have a hob unit. Now if you have a fixed hob like this unit is a must. This comes with a tiny flap on the top so that if something goes wrong with your hob at any point, we can easily access it for maintenance. Now, a wicker basket unit is the perfect solution to store all our perishable items like onions, potatoes, garlic, and more. Now, these come in varied sizes, so we can have multiple different sized wicker baskets in the same unit. Well, here we have a sink unit. Now, the storage below the sink is always a tricky area because there might be some sort of water seepage at any point of time. So under the sink, we always suggest to keep it fairly simple. We can always add a dustbin or a pull-out washing powder rack to keep all your storage items. Tall unit, as the name itself suggests, is the tallest of all units in the kitchen and it comes with maximum amount of storage. We can have all kinds of accessories inside it, be it shelves, drawers, etc. But here we have a very nice pull-out pantry unit where you can store all your daily essentials right there. A well-designed unit has all its appliances in one corner, and the best way to achieve this is by having an appliance stall unit. Now here we can have all our mixer, grinder, coffee maker, oven, etc. in the same unit so that your counter space is free of clutter and too many wires and plug points, etc. With L and U-shaped kitchens, a lot of people feel that there's some sort of a dead space that they have to deal with. Now with pull-out accessories like this for your corner unit, you can reach to the farthest point even in the dead corner space. Here we have one of the coolest units in our experience center, that being the skirting drawer. One would think the skirting space is like your dead space, but this unit sort of gives it that twist that is required. Now you would want to know what you want to store here. This is the perfect place to keep all your mop, the warranty cards and even your dustpans, etc. Well, a glass shelf unit isn't really a must, but it is a great addition to your kitchen If you lack some sort of cutlery storage, add a spotlight or two, and then all your cutleries and your pots and pans are going to look lit in your kitchen. An open unit, as the name itself suggests, is an open shelf unit where it is the perfect addition near your cooking space so that you can keep all your daily essentials that you use multiple times like sugar, coffee, tea powder, etc. Now, if you're wondering which out of all these units to go for your kitchen, although there's no one right answer to this, you can always pick the units that best suit your floor plan. Now, if you're too overwhelmed with all of these choices, our Design Cafe designers are always there to help you. You can leave your details in the form that is in the description box below, and we'll get back to you with a free design consultation. Until next time, take care. See you all.